So in the next years, the creator economy is going to explode. And when you're doing video editing, your skill is becoming extremely variable. In the next years, it's going to be worth towards more than 500 billion, and your video editing skill is becoming one of the most variable assets in this whole game. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how you should position yourself to make a lot of money out of your skill, how you should position yourself to become free, to have an amazing life, to achieve all of your goals and whatever you have in your mind, and maybe go the same path how I did it. So I actually grown up in this house here and learned the skill of video editing 10 years ago. But actually with the changing of technology, with AI, for example, the whole thing is even easier to achieve, because right now you have like AI models which saves you a lot of time, like tons of hours per month, where you can like make more videos happening and make more money out of it. So in this video, I'm literally going to explain what I would do, or what I'm actually doing right now with my agency, where I position myself, where video editing is a portion of the work, and how you can maybe grow towards $10,000 per month with a video editing agency, with a YouTube agency, however you want to call it. So the first thing we should understand is, how did this actually changed everything here towards social media, towards videos, towards everything. So we changed the media from magazines towards TV, and TV gone towards then social media. The first ads were happening, then Facebook launched, Instagram launched, Snapchat came across, YouTube was there, and the whole thing is right now shifting from TV. So even a lot of people still watch TV, and there are a lot of ads in the TV, but everything is shifting right now towards the social medias, towards this phone, towards your phone, and towards communication on YouTube, towards communication on Instagram and Facebook. So the attention moves from all these old media towards more accessible devices, such as the phones and laptops and MacBooks whatsoever. And to acquire customers is becoming much more easier, because you can run ads, you can create content which reaches the right clients, and your video editing skills, or also later on when you want to pivot towards a YouTube agency, your knowledge to understand which videos to create exactly for the right niche to acquire customers, it's going to be very variable, because the more people come towards this market, the more competitors are there, and the better you are with the skill to understand how to get the right customers on the right platform, the more variable your skill is going to be. But right now, when you understand what videos to create to get the right customers, you are very variable for your clients, because they might not understand that, and they will pay you a good amount of money to get these clients over social media, because you understand how to get the client into their calendar and make them pay for its service, for example. So I have multiple clients which pay me between $3,000 and $4,000 per month, just because I understand how to acquire customers on YouTube, because I literally just focus on this one thing. So I pivoted from video editing towards a YouTube agency, where obviously video editing is a big portion of it, but I only focus on B2B channels, or B2C high net worth, where we acquire high net worth individuals, such as real estate, private equity. I have also a client where we organize a second passport, second citizenship with investments or whatsoever. But these clients also pay a lot of money towards this agency, and I understand how to get these clients into their calendar, because I understand which videos to create. So this is actually also what we're teaching in Creator Scale. You'll find more information in the first link down below, where I'm actually having a video. I just recorded the video, how to reach $10,000 per month with exactly this method, with exactly this agency model. And this is literally what I would focus on in the next few months, when I would be a video editor and changing time towards money. And when you have in your mind, I need to make more video edits to get more money, then I would think about it and change towards this approach, because I have a handful of clients which pay me between $3,000 and $4,000 per month, and I can travel towards my home country. I can hire video editors. I have an agency, and I live in Dubai. I have a very free life, I would say, and I achieved some of my goals in my life, which I had a few years back. I achieved those. And exactly with this agency model, actually. So yeah, when you found value in this video, then for sure we will see each other in another video. Bye bye.